Good Monday morning, everybody. We're here in Bond's Kitchen. I'm going to make a delicious, low-calorie, moderate fat, very low carb, high protein breakfast for you guys. This is especially good if you're on the go. You want something fast, but you want the high protein, low calorie. This week I will be focusing strictly on high protein, moderate fats, low carbs this week. I'm planning on hitting the gym really hard and really focusing on more of my bodybuilding type diet instead of doing a lot of the fasting this week. I want to teach everybody how to do these quick, low calorie meals that are high protein and healthy, but still taste delicious. And on this one today, we're going to do these bacon, egg, and cheese bowl. It's something you can make right in the microwave, and I'm going to show you the ingredients we're using here. So we're going to need some egg whites. We're going to be doing a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 whole eggs, a 1/4 cup of 3-state cheddar, or your favorite cheese, but a 1/4 cup. So everything is measured because that's how you're going to keep your calories low. This is how people mess up, is not watching the portions and watching the serving sizes. Black Label, you can use other brands too, but this is 2 slices. Again, portion control. 2 slices is only 70 calories, okay? And we're gonna be putting that in the bowl as well. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this, okay? So we're gonna take a nice sized bowl, okay, and in this bowl we're gonna break open the 2 eggs, and we're gonna put in the 1/4 cup of egg whites. 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of egg whites into the bowl, like so. And we're gonna beat this up with a fork. Now that's beat up. You can also add some salt and pepper at this point. Add some salt. And a little pepper. Blend it back up. Now you're gonna add in the bacon, which is here. We're gonna take these 2 slices, we're gonna break these up into little pieces and put them in the bowl. Bacon's in the bowl, and I'm also gonna just stir this up a little bit. Little pieces of bacon in there. Now if we take the 3-state cheddar, this is my local Meyer brand, but all the companies make it. And then there's your 1/4 cup. Now, what I like to do is cook this a little bit and put this on top, or you can mix it into the mixture. It's your preference, but I kind of like it on top. But I'll show you what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna put this into the microwave here for 2 minutes. Now, depending on the power of your microwave, it might take a little longer, but it's right around 2 minutes. I like to check it about 1 minute in just to see how it's going. And 2 minutes. And we're 1 minute in right now, and it's starting to rise up. This is exactly what you want for this to start rising. And then, of course, when you pull it out, it's going to come down. But right at this point is where I'm going to put the cheese on top. Now I'm going to top this cheese right on top like that, and then put it back in for the rest of its remaining time. And then this is going to be your finished product. It's all in the bowl. You literally just eat it and go with your fork. Add some whatever kind of little bit of condiment you want. Just make sure you watch the calories in that too. But here's your grand total. 2 eggs, 1/4 cup is your bacon, egg, and cheese bowl. 2 eggs, don't mind my writing. 1/4 cup egg whites, 1/4 cup 3-state cheddar, and 2 ready cooked bacons. So we got a grand total here. I've broken everything down by the serving sizes. We got a grand total of 353 calories, 29 grams of protein, 24 grams of fat, and 1 carb. Perfect macros for anybody trying to gain weight, lose weight, depending on what your goals are. If you're trying to stay in a deficit or trying to stay in a surplus, this fits everybody's healthy nutritional lifestyle. And if you're enjoying these kind of meals, which I will be posting periodically, give me a subscribe and a like. And like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, keep grinding out. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you on the next video.